Hi, my name is Dustin with Smart Pots, and I'm here at Amy's Ace. And what Smart Pots are is they're a fabric raised planter. So we sell anything from a 1 gallon pot to a 1,000 gallon pot. And we have a variety of different types of raised beds. What Smart Pots are, it's a fabric material that breathes, and it also root prunes the plant's root system so you don't get root bound plants. This is essential for producing more tomatoes, just having an overall better plant health. And also this material breathes, so it's going to be about 20 to 30 degrees cooler inside the root zone versus a hard-sided container. Everything is 100% made in the US, right in Oklahoma City. All of our fabrics are BPA and lead free, so you don't have to worry about any heavy metals getting into your final product. So today I'm going to show you how to plant up a Smart Pot. We're going to be using a tomato plant, and then we're also going to add some companion plants to it. Marigolds are great for the pollination of the flowers, and we're going to add some lavender as well as some other flowers to bring in those polliners. So today we are using Beyond Peat potting soil. It's a great blend. It does not contain any peat in it. We're going to start with our tomato plant here. What I like to show is what happens in hard-sided containers. You get this root circling effect. That will not happen with a Smart Pot, because every time the root tip hits the edge of the Smart Pot, the light and air dehydrate it, known as air pruning. So you're never going to have a root-bound plant. I always like to try to break up that root mass a little bit before planting. And I always plant my tomato plants a little bit deeper. I remove these smaller branches, which will later create roots. It's a nice soil. Now I'm going to add the marigolds to attract the bees and other pollinators. So as you can see with the tomato plant, I also planted some lavender as well. With these little nice flowers that will actually spill over. It gives a nice little color, and also just really helps out the ecosystem here in this container. The nice thing about it is a Smart Pot, as you can see, it's very lightweight, and if you don't have enough soil, you can always roll down the edges of the fabric. So it works out great. So as you can see, Smart Pots has a lot of different colors. These are our new vivid colors. We have blueberry, violet, and mandarin orange. So I'll be planting up some flowers for Mother's Day. It's always nice to give your mom something colorful on Mother's Day. So I like to place the plants in there first, and then I'm going to come back and top it off with some more soil. This is our urban compost sack. It's designed for small spaces. It comes with strap handles, so it's easy to move, with a fitted cover so you can control the moisture inside the compost sack. More cities have mandated composting, and this is the perfect product. Very lightweight, it breathes so you don't get the smell of traditional compost piles, and it helps speeds up the organic breakdown because the air is able to pass through. It's a great product. We have a QR code where it takes you to a video on how to compost very easily, and you can get it right here at Amy's Ace. As you can see, Amy's Ace carries a wide variety of Smart Pots. All are available here, so please stop by and pick up your Smart Pots.